culture, you should try this authentic dish, the Hakka stir fry, consisting of 4 simple ingredients: bean curds, celery, pork, and squid, which makes the Hakka stir fry.
哎，你会切呢？
切吗？我用心啊，跟你一样啊。
I think the ingredients are full of vitality, just like things on a prairie, living vividly and vigorously.
How do you like this? I loved it. Do you? Speaking of the Hakka culture, it goes without saying. The familiar images are paper umbrellas, Hakka floral cloths, and folk songs may come to mind. But you should also try this authentic dish, the Hakka stir fry, consisting of 4 simple ingredients: bean curds, celery, pork, and squid, which makes the Hakka stir fry. You smell the cooking from blocks away and your taste buds salivating from the aroma. And everything just smells so good, you gotta ask for that second bowl of rice. Here we are today in a Hakka township called Sanwan in Miaoli, searching for these mouth-watering flavors. Well, it's very late. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I bet you our chef has already started her day. 雪玲姐，按坐，
按周期。
按坐，三一束花。
谢谢谢谢。
这个就是三湾最大的市场。
对啊，
最大
这边一间，还有那边还有一间。
所以一样嘛，每天的日常嘛，都是要来挑菜，
对，
买鱼，
对，买了家里的小朋友吃啊，
嗯，
学校的小朋友也可以吃啊。
学校的小朋友，你有在学校煮饭？
对呀，
是给什么小朋友
我只有6日才在家里做生意啊。
所以
对，
平常1到5是在哪边？
在幼儿园上班啊。
哦，所以你是做菜给幼儿园的小朋友吃？
对。
啊，哎，这样这些小朋友感觉很有口福哎，从小会被
是还好啦，
还好
我会被我养刁而已。
是会挑嘴，
对，会挑嘴，去外面吃会吃不习惯。
这么幸福的小朋友。
对啊。
The fact that she has to prepare for 100 people, 100 mouths, and like 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and afternoon tea? I don't even get afternoon tea. We're going to the kitchen of Sanwan Daycare Center, and this is where she does the trick and spoil 100 mouths. So here we are. This is the dean of this daycare center, Mrs. Chen. Hello, 所长你好。
你好，
嗨，感觉你们应该都在这里工作了好一阵子了。
对，在这边服务了40年了。
我们今天其实也是因为那个雪玲姐来的，你们2个人共事了，应该也20几年了哦。她一个人要负责你们100张嘴巴。如果哪一天她今天心情想要去喝杯咖啡，或者她不会做这件事了，她不是这种人，或者是她人不舒服怎么办？
有的时候真的常常，这个社区那个社区要邀请他去教学的时候，那怎么办？我就说，只要我没有会议，我自己煮。我们在这边上班这么多年了，所以我们也了解孩子的口味，所以就是自己下厨，因为家庭主妇一定都会煮。只是说煮出来的味道哈，我绝对跟阿姨不一样。
We're not really helping out because we don't know the amount of food they're gonna eat. Well, it would be a waste if I give them too much food. That's why the teacher is, you see, as you can see, putting the veggies and the meat inside their bowls. And everyone is lining up. You 喜欢雪玲阿姨煮的菜吗？喜欢。I guess home tasting is still kind of good. 你吃很快哦。你觉得今天的饭好吃吗？家里的菜跟这里的菜哪一个比较好吃？2个都很好吃。See, we find a great balance. Mommy's cooking is good, but what they have at the daycare center is also pretty nice. I believe someday when they grow up, they're gonna be like, oh, someone came and, you know, she carried the food here and she was making fun of us. But what is important is about that food they're having. It's about the devotion Xueling姐has put into it, and the teachers, and what the parents, the society want them to have, want them to bear inside their bones. I think what they carry, this is like a tree. It's like a stem. If they have the roots, then they know how to grow. Her name is Liu Xueling, and this is her restaurant where the national Hakka stir-fry champion was born. But are we really at the right place? Why is it called 阿五嫂的店? And who is this 阿五嫂? 雪玲姐，我是这里确实有看到你的照片，可是这间店怎么叫做阿五嫂嘞？
阿雾嫂是我妈妈，阿雾哥是我爸爸，我爸爸已经往生了，我妈妈还在，我用妈妈的名字来开店的。
那为什么怎么会想要用妈妈的名字，然后放到这个店上面呢？
在本地是阿雾嫂、阿雾哥是很有名气的一个老人家，一个年长者啦。妈妈以前是都去跟人家办外汇，我就是从小就跟着妈妈一起。耳濡目染。对。那还有就是，我们可以聊聊你到处去参加比赛，真的是北中南都参加了，对不对？ 几乎都是北区的全台的啦。我去参加的比赛都是全台的。全台的它只有初赛跟决赛，不像这一次的客家小炒的北中南东。
是办的比较大。比较大
4区，北中南东4区去比总决赛这样。
然后你是拿到这一次北中南东全部的总冠军。
总冠军，对。
Okay, guys, so this is where the magic happens, and here we have the chef right beside me. I'm ready to learn. So if you want to learn something, you gotta learn from the best, right? Our chef is right here. 我已经看到了所有需要的食材，有猪肉。
早上去割的。
Okay, so this is fresh off the market, the pork we got in the morning.
让它穿烫一下，有定型了，我再来切。
任何需要帮忙的时候，请你尽量不要讲太多话。没有啦。
来，
我不会切啦。
就拿过去丢到锅子里面煮。
直接丢进去就好了。
对。
OK， 就丢进去吗？
对，放进去。你会切呢？
你切吗？我用心啊，跟你一样啊。
长条这样子切，这样子的厚度。
好。
跟豆干一样，这样子的厚度。
差不多。长短没有关系哈。
那长短没关系，那就对半切了。
好。接下来是葱。
OK。
I think I just figured out the secret to this championship, how she could win. Look at this size. This is a bean curd and this is a pork. Let me show you the celery. And this is the green onion. And you know, she knows what she's doing. The squid, then another green onion. Oh, and a little bit of color. See? If everything matches in size, then I'm sure when it goes into your mouth, it's gonna be a very beautiful balance. 你说你的每一道菜都是用猪油？
对啊。猪肉，炒成金黄色。刚刚很大块，现在已经缩小版了，对不对？
所以应该是会脆脆的了。
对。放这个的时候，我就必须关一下火，因为这个鱿鱼不能炒太久，
会老掉。
对，会老掉，我就再打开来。
这时候全部东西都要下去了？
没有全部，
还没。
这个还有这个。
哦，好香哦。
对，这样下去就很香了。来，这全部才下去。这是油葱酥，我会放一点点。
刚刚的油都没有拿起来，哎，这样不会很油吗
不？会啊，等一下吃的时候你就知道啦，因为等一下起锅的时候会滤一下油，
哦，你会把它沥掉，
把它滤干净。
好美的，
这个是
好美的颜色，
这个是酱油，
很像一个万花筒哎。
要给它呛，给它香气够。有闻到了吧？
Yeah，
很久。这要过一下水，温温的水一样过一下。
真的会有差吗？你就是这样5分钟、10分钟，它就会老掉。
对。来起锅前再呛一次。
那你这样把我们浇完了，你 OK 吗
OK 啊。
不生气啊？
为什么要生气？
也不藏私。
为什么要尝试嘞？大家炒的手法是不一样的。
Yeah， 而且每个人对待食物的态度不一样。
对。
Yeah。
好了。
Excuse us if we get to indulge in this dish, and I cannot wait.
开动吧。
开动吧，来。You know what I feel when I saw this dish?
等一下，等一下。吃小炒要这样子吃，
哦，要配着吃。
要配着吃。这个有鱿鱼，有豆干，有肉，有芹菜，有葱。
哇，这很多哎。我先这样好了。I gotta put it in my mouth first before everything falls off.
你觉得那层次感很够，对不对？
我先跟你说，我刚刚看到这个东西一被盛盘的样子，我觉得它们非常有生命力，很像一个草原上每一个东西都非常雀跃的在活着，然后进到嘴巴里面以后，它们拥有很自在的灵魂。
你没有发现里面有东西耶？
我有看到有饭啊，但是你刚刚已经这么大口，我现在优雅一点，给我一点点饭吃啊！真的是给我一点饭吃。
对，这个饭放在碗里面。
好，看来要扒饭了哈。
用扒饭的方式。
多了一个甜味，而且我觉得有一点就是我刚刚说这些料，它们是雀跃的，可是米饭是深层的，所以你就把它拉在一个中间的地方，然后让两个咬劲，是他们很像在竞争。I think they're having a competition there. Also, once again, like tango， 就是你一前我一后，你一前我一后。
对，那个米饭，它的香气很够。
How do you like this? I loved it. Do you? Well, you can't even try. You know what? Fragrant, chewy, delectable, however you would like to describe it. This is only the first dish. There is still Masona chicken soup, red Venice duck, braised pork with pickled veggies. You sure you want to miss out?